Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. The previous class we have seen Unit 2 C part. The topic of the lesson is the most precious possession. I hope all you read that lesson. In this class we are going to learn the balance part of the story. So all of you take your textbook and take page number 42 now. Okay. Be ready. Shall we start now? Dear students, take page number 42. Before we are enter that page, we can just recall the introduction part. So you can remember who is the main character. Yes, Ansaldo. He is a Florence, a merchant. Okay, so you know where he came and what is happened that time. And you basically who was Ansaldo? He was a very courageous and intelligent man. Okay, he went to where? He went to Canary Island. So what was the problem he saw in that palace? They are afraid of the which one? Yes, the rats. So what he decided to solve their problem? He bring the two Persian cats and all the rats came out from the place. So that's why the answer got the good name from the king, and he won the everyone's heart. Okay, so that is the introduction we can see in the last class. Now listen. The astonished and delighted king thought he was witnessing a miracle. He could not find words enough to thank Anseldo, whom he hailed as the savior of Ireland, and when Anseldo made him a present of the cat, his gratitude knew no bounds. So now we know. So he given the solution to the king and the palace. So everyone was very much loved. After a pleasant visit, Anselmo made ready to sail for home. The king accompanied him to his ship, and he showered him with a rich and rare gift, much of gold and silver, and many precious stones of all kinds of color, rubies, topazes, and diamonds. Yes. So he what is his main aim? He want to go for a courageous sail. In the time it was done. So after everything, the problem solved. Now after the pleasant visit, he want to read to his own home. In the time, the king of that Canary Island, he accompanied him, and he given the precious gift of gold and silver to him. Anselmo was overwhelmed not only by this costly gift, but also by the king's gratitude and the prizes he heaped upon his cats. As for the latter, they were regarded with awe by the islanders, the king and the royal householders, the greatest treasure. So in that time he was overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means to affect strongly. So not only for the costly gift he done, really he is a very intelligent man. That's why the king appreciated him, and for his cats and attitude of the man loved by the king very much. When Anselmo returned home, he regaled his friends and the account of his strange adventure. There was among them the certain the Giacondo de Fifanti, who was rich in envy as he was poor in the intelligence. So now who shared? Anselmo shared everything to the friends. In the time, one of among his friends, his name is Giacondo de Fifanti. He was rich in envy, but he was poor in intelligence. He thought if the island king who gave Anselmo all this for the magnificent gift for the too many to manky cats, what will not give me if I present with the most beautiful and precious things that our city of Florence has to offer. So in that time, the intelligence plays a vital role in that play. But who felt who thought wrong? The Gigando who thought wrong for that precious gift he got for he even for the two cats. So if I give the so many golds and silver to that palace, how they will appreciate him? That like thought came to the mind of the Gigando. So what happened? We can see in the next page. And no sooner said than done. He purchased lovely belts, necklace, bracelet studded with diamonds, exotic pictures, luxurious garments, and many other expensive gifts, and took ship for the now famous Canary Island. So, what we should learn from it? So, Ansaldo, known for not only for the gift, is known for his daring and courageous, and his talent only. Um, it was loved by the king and the people of the country. But who thought wrongly? Yes, his friend Gigando. So he was done. He want to purchase so many lovely things to that palace. Then only he want to get the appreciate from the king of Canary. So what are the things he bought? So many lovely belts, necklace, bracelet, and diamonds. Everything he bought. After an uneventful crossing, he arrived in port and hastened to the royal palace. He was received with more pomp than was Ansaldo. The king was greatly touched by the splendor of Gigando's gift and wanted to be equally generous. He held a long consultation with his people and then informed Gigando happily that they had decided to let him share with the visitor their most precious possession. The Gigando could hardly contain his curiosity. However, the day departure finally arrived and found Gigando on his ship, impatiently awaiting the visit of the king. So, what was the mind of that Gigando? He thought if they give the gift for even 2 cats, so but he got the great position. So now he given so many valuable things to the king of Canary. So definitely he will appreciate by the king, and must he will give the a day end to the so many precious possessions to him. So this is only came through the mind to the Gigando. So what happened? So everything. The people of the country, they are arrived to the port and they are welcomed more even than where he received more pomp than Ansaldo. So the king was greatly welcomed and everyone was nicely spend the time with that person. So he was felt very happy to visit the most precious possession in that island. So in that day of end, he want to know. It means he get very curious about what are the things the king definitely give to him. So this is expectation came to the mind of Gigando. So what happened at the end we can see in the next page. Page number 43. Before long, the king, accompanied by the entire royal household and half the islanders, approached the ship. The king himself carried the precious gift on the silken cushion. With a great pride, he put the cushion into the Gigando's outstretched greedy hands. So, who expected the gift? The Gigando expected the gift from the king. So, now the time had arrived. So, before long, the king accompanied the entire team of the island came to send off him. So now who had the valuable the gift? The king carried. So it was a very expecting moment of that Gigando. So now he given the precious gift on the silken cushion and gave to that Gigando's outstretched greedy hands. Who has greedy here? Gigando. So Gigando was speechless. On the cushion, curled up in the sleepy furry balls, were 2 of the kittens and they had been born to the present cats of Ansaldo had left on the island. So now he expects so many gifts from king. So he given the one cushion to him. So in that time there are 2 Persian, 2 kittens are there. So he was very speechless because now the king said it was a 2 born Persian cats kittens who had left. Ansaldo left on the time when he arrived. So what happened? The greedy man got only the cats. So not he got any valuable possession. So this is only the most precious possession got from Gigando. The old story does not go on the say whether Gigando on the return of Florence ever regaled with his friends with the tale of his adventures. So this is at the end of the story. What we should learn? So Ansaldo was really intelligent, but he not greedy. Automatically for his talent he got that gift, but Gigando has a very greedy in nature. So that's why he expecting so many gifts from the king, but at the end of the story definitely intelligence plays a role here. The Jihando lost everything. So this is the moral of the story. I hope all you are understood the lesson. So all of you read one more time this lesson, and today I'll give the question answer. So all of you take your English note and copy the question and prepare well. Okay. Thank you. We can see in the next class.